many times it is very important to select the trade by seeing the overall scenario of the market. Now in this case, if you see, this is the March red candle. Now March market has gone really down, which was a multi-month low. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's almost a yearly low. Now at that point in time, if I take some trade which can give me profit if market goes up, and simultaneously I protect my trade so that from here also if market goes down by another 1500 2000 points, then also I am safe, then that would be really a good trade. Now what can be such a trade? We are going to see this in today's video. So we need to analyze our environment, we need to analyze the overall market scenario, and then decide which trade I am taking. So here I am taking a bullish trade which will be safe even if market falls by 1000 points or more. And then if market goes up, obviously that trade will be an easy profit for us. So after a very volatile bad March month, let us come to 1st April morning 9:30. We know VIX is very high. We know market is at a multi-month low, and here we want to take a trade which gives us money in case market goes up, which gives us money if market stays there only, and which is not taking away much money even if market falls by another 500,000 points from here. So what can be such trade? Once you have identified the environment, it is very important to identify a good trade also, not taking undue risk. So what I will do, I will go to 28th April and market is at around 22,929, and I will go down. Let's say I am selecting 22,200. I am buying one port, and I'll go down another, let's say 500, 600 points, and I will sell this port. And now if I say that, okay, this trade is safe up to 22,071, market is 22,929, I will say, no, this is not sufficient safety. So what I will do, I add 2 lots of this. Now this trade is safe up to 2919, 20919, which means it is having almost 2000 points. Market has already fallen by more than 2000 points, and then VIX is high, and I am creating a trade which is safe for further 2000 points. And you can increase this safety also. If I show you, instead of 22,200, what we can do is we can go to 22,000, right? And even here I can shift it by, okay, there is no liquidity in 21,000, so minimum we can do is 21,500, right? So even in this trade, I am safe up to 20,905 on downside, and if market goes up, there is a substantial profit. The profit is around 6171, which is very close to 3.9 to 4% on required margin. Required margin can definitely be reduced. I am giving a link of the video how you can reduce the required margin. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. In this channel, we talk about safe and hedged trading strategies and best possible adjustments. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We provide you a pre-market report every morning. So let us now see how this trade pans out. Only thing is that market is at 22,900 and we are safe up to 20,900. In case market starts shifting below 20,900, this can definitely give me unlimited loss. But obviously we will not sit till market touches 20,900. Maybe if market touches this level, this peak of this triangle, which is around 21,500, we will definitely introduce our adjustments in this trade, right? And let's say I have some funds, so one trade is taking 1.6 lakh rupees. Even up, I am not doing any weekly buying. If I do weekly buying, the required margin will reduce substantially. Okay, let us say I have around 5 lakh rupees. So I will do 3 lots. So I'll show you in case you do a weekly buying. Let's say you're doing for 7th April, as far away as possible. Best possible is something like, let us say 20,500. If I buy, so I'm buying 3 because 22,000 are purchased, 621,500 are sold. So open are 3 only, and we have purchased 3 weekly. Payoff diagram really goes for a loss, but otherwise your margin requirement gets reduced. For payoff diagram to become correct, I need to select here as 20th April, right? As of now, I am not doing this because it really disturbs the payoff diagram. And secondly, I want whatever is the maximum margin that should be displayed so that we are not seeing unnecessarily inflated percentage profit. Remove this, right? This is the trade, and let us see if we need to really adjust this trade, whether there is no need to adjust, and this trade gives a good profit because our monthly opening analysis is good. For better reach and visibility, I'll request all of you to please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel also. Each and every like and subscription is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Right, let us now see, this is a monthly trade, high weeks trade. If you see Greeks for this trade, so if you want to see Greeks, so for that what we will do, we'll make it one lot so that we are very clear on Greek. Delta what I have purchased is 0.26 and delta what I have sold is 0.36 divided by 2, so 0.18. 0.26 purchased and two lots of 0.18 sold. If you want more information on how to work around these Greeks like delta, theta, vega, you can join our silver membership. We have given 3 exclusive videos where we have explained everything on Greeks. So let's go back to again 3 lots and let us see what kind of profit can be generated, and let us see at what point in time we need to really adjust this trade. So after first day there is a decent fall in the market. Market has gone 700 points down, but is this an adjustment point? No. Unless and until market comes somewhere on this slanting line, which is the start of the triangle and the peak of the triangle, I will say I will still sit in the trade and wait. So let's move next day. Next day market has moved up. Trade is somewhat in a small loss, which is okay. Next day, now market has really moved up and maybe VIX might have reduced. So we are getting small profit in this trade. Next day, market has suddenly moved up by almost, you can say, 1000 points. And the trade is giving me solid 15,000 rupees. Maximum it can give me is 18,000 rupees, 18,515 if market stays on this horizontal line on the upside. Already it is giving me 15,638 rupees. So this is a very good time that okay, I can really scare off this trade and maybe enter into some other strategy. But if we continue in this trade, let us see what happens next day. Again, it is giving me some profit only, 16,224, 17,316. So market has gone to 23,605 and my break even is 2905. So there is huge space between where is the market and what is my lower break even point. There is no upper break even point at all in this trade. So 23,605 minus 2905, it's almost 2800 points. So we can easily set this trade and forget about it. But this is the right stage where we can definitely book this trade. Or if we really want to increase the profit, one of the easiest method is I book this 22,000 put, all 3 lots, and instead of 22,000 I buy something much cheaper than that, although it will not create much difference because only 58 rupees are left in this put. And I will go to April. I scared of 22,000 and I have already sold 21,500 and maybe I will buy 21,700. This will increase my profit by some extent. So my maximum profit is now 22,000, which was earlier 18,000. So this is one trick wherein you know market is going up. You can definitely increase your credit in the trade by reducing your debit in the trade. Hopefully you are clear. I have reduced my debit in the trade. What was the debit? My purchased put was a debit in the trade. So I have reduced that debit. Hence, in the overall trade, my credit increased by 4,000 points. Now we can see what happened to the trade. In case market comes down, we will adjust. Otherwise, already giving me 20,000 rupees, 21,000 rupees. 17th April, it is already giving 21,000. So there is hardly any stress in the trade and market has gone in one direction only. And at this point, we are making more than 5% in the trade. So a very good trade because obviously there is analysis. So this video will help you to analyze that okay, what is happening in the overall markets, and based on the market situation, if market is at some extreme, if market is at its all-time high, maybe I can take a bearish trade with some protection on the upside. And if market is almost a 12-month low, I can definitely take a bullish trade with some protection. Easier said than done. Definitely it is not very easy unless and until you are very clear with your adjustments. In this case, fortunately, we are not required to do any adjustment, but most of the times, any trade you do, if it is a truly non-directional trade, you are definitely required to do adjustments. And we have shown you all the kinds of possible adjustments for iron fly, iron condor, and double calendar spread in our workshop. We have recorded these workshops. We have given you the complete framework, how to enter, how to adjust, how to log profit, and how to book profit. And this framework we have applied on 12 months of actual trades. So you get an absolute clarity on how to apply this framework in different kinds of market situations. If you are really interested in enrolling for this course, please contact the numbers given on the screen. In addition to that, if you want to open an account with our broker, very transparent with very good tools for adjustments with a free simulator also. There is a link given in the description. You can click on that link and open the account very quickly. I am leaving you with another very interesting video. Definitely you will like it. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe button for the channel. Also, you need to tell me what is the name of this strategy. Write it in the comment section and I will see each and every comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.